tell me you have a lot of makeup without telling me you have a lot of makeup. Y'all, it took me forever. So get this organized. I've been putting it off, but your girl finally decided. So go ahead and get started with organizing it. So, yeah. First things first, we got my drawer of lipsticks and lip glosses. Y'all got so many of them. It don't even make no sense. Like, look at all these. I'm not even finna go do a name on because, why? That's just too many, but you see 'em, you know? So that's just me putting on my lipsticks, lip glosses, everything in that drawer. Basically, yeah. Anywho, closing it up, go on to the next one. I ended up switching this drawer up, taking everything out of there, and decided to go ahead and put my foundations, my skin tints. I didn't really have a whole lot of these, like I thought I did. So yeah, I have my little go-to favorites in here. You see some Dior, some Fenty products. Lately I've been just using the Huda Beauty concealers. Yeah, some. Got all my concealer on one side, foundations on the other. Not a whole lot going on here. Just putting them side by side, organizing them. And yeah, not a whole lot in that drawer either. So, damn, that's it. Oh, decided I had some more lippies, so I decided to put them in the drawer. These are just some that I missed. So go ahead and put those in there. Oh yeah, just too many. Just too many. I can't keep up. Can't you tell I'm addicted to the glosses? Don't judge me, okay? Anywho, so, yeah, that's all that's in that drawer. The next one, oh yeah, this next drawer, nothing but makeup eyeshadow palettes. Yeah, this one, had to go ahead and just give it away, because I only use one color, which is the black eyeshadow. And this new palette, I never really used it, and I'm gonna put it to the side, give away. This one is one of my favorites. I love this Peachy News palette. Yeah, and Miss Huda, okay, get into it. I only use this palette a few times, and I love the colors in it. Like, look at them colors. Fire. Yes, ma'am. And, oh, gotta have my Too Faced pancake palette. Yes, these ones still on your girl racked up. Look at them colors. Keeps his head on fire, and then I got the better than chocolate palette. Oh, get into it. Yes, ma'am. Of course, my Anastasia Cosmos palette. My go-to palette. Love it, love it, love it. Yeah, gotta have another Too Faced. These are all my neutrals. I love that palette. Yes, ma'am. A natural palette. Gives. This palette, I don't really use them much, so I'm gonna put it to the side. Don't really need it anymore. These bad habits. I kept all my bad habit brain sure. Like, top tier. Leo CDs. These palettes are very pigmented. And I got that from a thrift store, so. Yeah, I'm keeping every single last one of them because get into it. Look at it. Yes, ma'am. I love my bad habits. Yes. All the natural colors you need, babes. So, I'm gonna keep them. Um, and yeah, I didn't have a whole lot in this drawer either, so here's another one. I love these palettes. Look at them colors. You can't tell me that ain't fire. Get into it. Bad habits is worth it. So yeah, this little palette I've had for some several years, so I'm gonna keep it. Um, and then this palette I don't really use anymore, so it's gone in the stash. This is one of my favorite. This Chrome palette. Look at it. Watch as I open it up. Yes, ma'am. The I see them shimmers. In almost every color. Yeah, keeping it. This palette I don't really use. The colors in it are pretty, but I'm gonna put it to the side. This one, is another palette I'm gonna end up keeping. It does have some pretty colors in there, so I did. I'm keeping this palette. And yeah. Also, this one, oh baby, this one, they've been through it. Listen, I just decided to go ahead and throw it in garbage. Cause who finna keep it? It didn't been through hell and back. Nope, this palette, only top broke off. But there's some pretty colors I am gonna put it to the side. This palette, I don't really use anymore. So, to the stash it goes. Don't really need it. This one, I don't need it anymore as well. A lot of these packages I'm gonna put to the side from my mom, cause maybe if she wants it, if not, we give it away. This one, another Bad Habit palette. Look at them colors. Yes, ma'am. Top tier. Y'all gonna hear me say it a lot, but baby, them colors is fire. It's Lord. So, yeah. Oh, I ended up having some little mini Sephora collections. I love my little minis. So, your girl's gonna put them in there. And, I love my little neutrals. You know, gotta have my transition colors. Don't play with it. Look at them colors. Shimmer, shimmer, shimmer. So, yeah, I didn't have a whole lot of them, but I did get them while they were on sale. And, yeah, I'm putting my little minis in there. Oh, love that blue color. It's fire. So, yeah. This one, move to the next drawer. This is a lot of my blushes and, bronzers. So as y'all see, I do have quite a few of them. Yeah, they're Rare Beauty. Y'all, I in a buy one, and they gave me one of the greatest, like the same shade. But, hey, I ain't complaining. I love too. Better to have more. So, I ain't gonna complain about that. And yeah, that's just me opening up my other one and putting it in there. Oh, gotta have my Fenty artist water breath. Top tier. Baby Fenty. Come on now. Look at that. Watch me swatch it. Ooh, y'all see how pretty that is? Your girl had to go ahead and get it. So, yeah. Listen up, Fenty Beauty, highlighter. I love this one. It's so pretty. And if you want to clean it up, just use a spoolie and scrape it across. Get to clean it right on up. Yes, House Labs, one of my other favorites, baby. Don't sleep on my girl, because baby Gaga did this one. Do you see that? The packaging is everything. Watch me swatch it. Yes, ma'am. Get into it. Love it. I'm gonna have to get some more of hers, too. Another, my Invisible Meds by Fenty. Have to go ahead and put that in there. Yes, this Huda Beauty bronzer. Love, love, love. And, got my little one styles. I'm still trying to get into the, pink setting powders, but, I ended up getting a small one just to try it out. Maybe on down the line I'll do another review. And that Fenty, powder, I don't really use it, but I think it's the wrong shade, honey. I'm just gonna keep it anyway. This one, my favorite blush brand. Yes, ma'am. I love it. Y'all already know I had to rack up, honey. Don't play with this blush. That blush is top tier. Yes, ma'am. I even put my coworkers on, and they love it. So your girl end up getting almost every color. So, yeah, I'm keeping those. This milk one, I got it in gratis. I never tried it, but I heard it's very pigmented. So, yeah, I am gonna keep it just to try it on down the line. Got me some more one size setting powder in translucent. Got the big one, yeah, 'cause my coworker put me on, so I end up getting one. Yes, these palettes I don't even really use anymore, so they're gonna go in the stash. In the giveaways. So this one I don't use anymore either, so my mom can have that one. This one I don't use it as well. So yeah, it's still good, but your girl just don't need it anymore, so to the stash it goes. But it's pretty. So yeah, it is what it is. Giveaway. Yeah, my Fenty and my setting powder and honey. Love it, love it, love it. In this e.l.f. contour palette, I only use the darker shades, but I'm gonna keep it. And yeah, this highlighter right here, it's still pretty. But I am gonna give it away because I don't really use it that much anymore. So to the stash it goes. Fit me, I don't even know why I got this, y'all. Did I need my sheet, but I'm gonna keep it. Yeah, my favorite contour stick, Fenty, baby, this makeup by Mario though. Lowell, this highlighter, maybe Mario D's big one, because this is so pretty. Watch me swatch this. Lloyd, do y'all see the shimmer? Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I'm keeping it, for sure. And, yeah. Next drawer, we have some more eyeshadow pigments. These ones I'm giving away because I don't use them anymore. This MAC I don't use. This one's still in the package. Giveaway. Yeah, I have some little eyeshadow sticks. They're gonna go in the drawer. Next drawer is all my setting sprays. So, gotta have my one sizes, y'all. I rocked up, as y'all can tell. And this palette, I end up missing the drawer, so I'm gonna show you what it looks like. There it is. Bam, the Girly Pop. Yes, ma'am. Love it. Gotta have my primers, as well. Everything one size, y'all. Y'all can't tell me. Yeah, he did his big one for that, because baby, I racked up just about everything. Gotta have my matte setting sprays, though. Everything is mostly matte for me when it comes to my makeup, so yeah, I have a lot of matte products. If you can't tell, there, don't judge, but I gotta have my mattes. This milkworm, it's okay. The only thing I just don't like how it sprays out, but it's okay. Got the primer as well, and it's really, really good. This elf setting spray is okay. Again, don't like how it squirts out, but it's okay. Got the oil control primer. Really, really good product. And yeah, this primer is really, really good. I got this from, I want to say, TJ Maxx. It's really, really good. Yeah, the Nessa Maris. Yeah, got this in Gradus. I haven't tried it yet, but I heard it's really, really good. And maybe on down the line, I'll do a review for you all. So yeah, there's that product. I am gonna keep it. Period. In the last drawer, it's just me putting some colorful lashes. Lashes that I had over, for a while that I haven't even used. Got some sponges, some powder puffs. My beauty blender has got my brush cleaner. I am gonna clean on down the line, so don't judge me, okay? Period. Got some little tools for like eyeliner and my lashes. Got my little sparkly stickers that I haven't even used yet, but I am gonna use for some good looks, 'cause they coming soon. It's me. So all that is in that drawer. And yeah, I have to go back up and, just put a couple extra powders like this Yves Saint Laurent mascara. I love, love, love. One of my favorites. Also got some more mascara, some lip liners in Tower 28. And, I forgot what else. I got in that lip liner, but it is pretty. And also, guys, some NARS concealers, some more concealers in Fenty, as y'all can see. Dior mascaras. And also, just showing you guys, this is we have organized so far everything in my makeup drawer. I'm super excited. I feel like I can get back into doing my content. So yeah, this is the stash that I'm giving away. A lot. I actually did a lot.